CliffBeats no script off the rip, dude. We have Rogue Wave versus Rofu. I'm not going to lie. I loved all of the tag team elimination routines, but I felt Rogue Wave and Rofu were up there on my list. So to have them both compete right off the bat in the semifinals is blowing my mind. So one's getting eliminated right away. We gotta jump into this. Show love to Rogue Wave and Rofu. I'd love to have you guys like, subscribe. Dude, this is the perfect time for this to drop because I feel like this is Christmas, guys. So thank you, Swiss Beatbox, and all the contestants and everybody, all the amazing beatboxers, all the amazing talent. You're making people's Christmases, dreams and hopes come alive. Thank you. I appreciate you. Let's go, guys. Hush.
Let's begin.
Is my box up? Pause. You know what I mean? This thing. Yeah. What?
Hit him with the glitch.
Ooh. Dude, it's like Saturday morning at 7 a.m. I woke up to do these. I was like, I got to do these right away. I am so stoked.
To the battles we go. There are only 4 teams left.
残りは4チーム。
First up,
最初は
from France.
フランスから
Can I get an ooh la la?
Ooh la la!
Can I get an ooh la la?
Ooh la la!
Make some noise for Rogue Wave!
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
This is a cheat code here. You got 2 champs, man. That hair is phenomenal. You look like a young Orlando Bloom.
Collapse, River, Rogue Wave. They ranked first overall during the elimination rounds, and here they are in the first battle.
予選では素晴らしいショーケースを見せてくれまし
First
た。
battle.
But versus
対するは
from Japan,
日本から
give it up for Rofu!
Hit him with the glitch.
We got a crowd favorite.
Since Rogue Wave ranked higher, they have chosen Rofu to go first.
Oh, okay. So Rogue Wave ranks higher than Rofu. Okay, I did not know that. I don't know the rankings.
You'll be going first.
Yeah.
Right here live and direct, once again, Tokyo. We're going to go and get into the tag team battle. GBB 23, I ask you left, right, side to side, up top, in the back. Everybody, are you ready?
Yeah.
Rogue Wave versus Rofu. You already know what to do. I say the sun, you say the knee and the ish. In sun!
Beatbox, bitches!
Yo. We love freestyle. Okay. Revenge match. This is freestyle, and this is Hokkaido style, you know? Yo, we are approachable, make some noise! Woo! Yuke mori mori.
No!
Mori mori. Do you understand? Yuke mori mori.
Is that enough? Is that enough? Is that enough? Dude, that drop was nasty, dude. They were nasty. Let's go. Oh no, dude. No shit. It's a cheat code, dude. Oh my god almighty, dude. They even like singled them out so they're like battling one on one, like they're taking them out. They split them up. Oh my god.
Tokyo! 준비 됐을까? 싸워게!
Oh my good lord, dude.
Everybody jump!
Dude, I have Rogue Wave up now. Rofu came out strong, but Rogue Wave just fucking this is cheat code, dude. It's two champions, man. Oh shit. Not taking anything away from Rofu.
Switch!
Come on. Hit him with it, hit him with it, hit him with it.
Okay, listen now. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Yo, we are love from Japan. Are you ready, JBB? Yeah, listen. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. We are not from Japan. Are you ready? 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子で言いまんね。
Ooh, shit. I like that though. You're gonna go out swinging. You gotta go out swinging for the fences. Let's go.
Switch!
Hey yo, everybody, are you ready? Gunshots in the ribcage. Gunshots in the ribcage.
High kicks. Ooh. It's not. This. Oh no!
Time.
Oh no. That was a good battle, dude.
What a crazy battle in the tag teams right here, but only one can move on to the finals. We go to our judging panel.
This is what we start with? This is what we start with?
Judging panel, it will be blue for Rogue Wave.
青がローグウェーブ、
It will be red for Rofu.
ローフが赤色になります。
I
I'll say the
think
three, y'all say the two and the one. Judges in 3. Give it up for Rogue Wave.
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
yeah, they're gonna be hard to take out, dude. Don't ruin it for me. I do not know any winners. I don't even know anything. All right, I do these all blindly. I did not watch anything. I don't know anything. Please don't ruin it for me. Please, 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 for the love of God. I can't even read comment sections right now, so I gotta avoid everything.
You have not seen the last of them, for they'll be in the small finals. Make some noise for the amazing Rofu!
Let's go. I do love Rofu, dude. I love what they bring to the table, man. They're very unique.
What's up everyone, we are Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of River BBX on Instagram.
And I'm Collapse BBX. See you soon.
Everyone keeps telling me
Thank you for watching.
Let's begin.
We are Rofu from Japan. She is my grandmother, Sachiko. Sachiko! Sachiko!
Hit him with the
Sachiko!
glitch.
Sachiko, 俺だ! 俺だ, Sachiko!
Everyone was harping on me because I didn't wait for like the end of one video. I don't know which one it was, but everyone was like, "You didn't wait for the end." It's like there was 5 seconds left. I'm sorry. I was trying to show support to the artist, man. God damn. Yeah, show love. Go like, go subscribe. No matter what, even if you didn't like watching with me, whatever the case may be. Rogue Wave, Rofu. Please, please, please. I'll link their information down below. It takes 1 second. But yeah, man. I mean, dude, Rofu came out swinging. But Rogue Wave is what their name is perfect. Rogue Wave. They are a rogue wave, and they are a fucking force to be reckoned with. Got 2 champions. I mean, I'm not saying that, you know, I know Rofu they won something. They won a few things, if I can't, if I'm not mistaken. These are the best people. These are the best beatboxers in the world. The world. You don't just get to go up on stage. You have to have some accomplishments. But that's how we're starting this off. I think we're in for an amazing, amazing GBB 23, and I've been waiting for this for so long, dude. So long, since COVID, man. What'd you guys think, though? Comment down below. Rogue Wave is just they're so crisp, they're so clean. They just know what to do and how to execute. They were so good. It even seemed like the way that Rogue Wave was separated, I don't even know if that was orchestrated, but the way they like walked around them and then they both like battled, then like looked back at each other at a perfect time to like get ready to hit them with another sequence. I was like, what? Like, was this choreographed? Or are they just that good that off the cuff they can like do that? I don't know. That was insane, man. Like something out of a movie. Go like, go subscribe, show love. Thanks for watching with me. I appreciate you guys. If anybody needs me, all my socials are linked down below. Message me 24/7 if you'd like. Discord is also available to you guys. It's open 24/7, 365. Thousands of members. Everyone has each other's backs. We have a mental health forum, panic attack room. a deep discussion, freestyle cypher room if you want to learn how to rap. I pick the beats. There's like 9 hours, 6 hours worth of beats in there. Go have fun. And all my Patreon members, thank you for all the love. I truly appreciate you guys. Happy holidays. Be safe. And this is definitely happy holidays because we got this. Oh, I cannot wait. Again, I will not be reading the comments. I'll glance at the comment sections, but dude, please don't ruin it. I had a few people already try to ruin it for me, man. As soon as I start seeing a name, I look away. I don't even want to know. Please, please, please bear with me, man. I want to experience the realness with you guys for once. Not for once. That's all my channel's about. I don't care if I mess up or say something wrong. That's fine. That's life. You're supposed to fuck up. And this polished shit I don't do here. We are a real channel here. We don't fuck around. I love you guys. Stay safe. And message me if you need me. You know I'm always here for you guys. Thank you so much. I would not be here without you. Thank you so much, guys. Please be safe. Oh.